Sprouts. This is Sailaja. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make whole wheat jaggery cupcakes decorated with Christmas and New Year themed frosting. Are you excited? Let's get started. First of all, let's make whole wheat jaggery cupcakes. Here are the ingredients list. Take a bowl and add in 1/4 cup of organic ghee. I'm using A2 organic ghee, and in that add in 3/4 cup of grated organic jaggery. Mix it well. After that, add in 1 cup of whole wheat flour. I'm using organic flour again. In that, add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix all the ingredients together. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now add in 1 cup of buttermilk, prepared by mixing curd and water in 2:1 ratio. Add the milk until you reach the desired consistency as shown in the video. Fill in the 3/4 portion of batter into the cupcake tray. Bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Our cupcakes are done. I'm gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of it to make it more aesthetic. Look at the texture. Can you believe these are made with whole wheat flour and jaggery? Now let's see how to make buttercream frosting. Here are the ingredients list. Now in a bowl, take 200 grams of room temperature butter and blend it till it reaches light and fluffy as shown in the video. I'm using Philips blender. I'll leave a link in the description box. Now add in 3 cups of powdered sugar. Add the powdered sugar in batches and blend it in medium speed. If you feel that batter is too thick, you can add in 2 tablespoons of milk. Make sure you're not adding too much of milk. That will make your batter too loose. Now add in the desired colors that you want. I'm using red and green colors here. And one more thing, use only gel colors because liquid colors will make your buttercream more loose or watery. Now let's make Christmas tree cupcakes, the most awaited one. For that, you need to take 1 cupcake and spread the white frosting or white buttercream on top of it. The reason is it will hold the cone, ice cream cone that we are using. This is the secret for this Christmas tree. And spread little batter or buttercream on top of it so that whatever frosting that you are applying later, that will stick on it. Now start decorating the whole cone with green color, and I'm using open star nozzle. I'll leave a link to every product that I'm using in this video in the description box. Check it out. I'm sprinkling some powdered sugar using strainer on top of it so that it looks like a snowy winter Christmas tree. Wow, it looks so beautiful, right? Next is New Year theme flower pot cracker cupcake.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now let's make Santa Claus cupcake. For the pink color lighter shade, I have mixed red buttercream and white buttercream to make it more lighter. And for the eyes, I have used some chocolate and rolled it into small balls. And for the nose, that is a gem. Yay! It's finally done! Now let's decorate our table with Christmas and New Year theme cupcakes and with some decor. I have made some cutouts of 2021 and stick them to the candles. Look at those lightings. They brought so much of warmth to the entire place.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. These decorations really made my day. If you did like this cute little cupcakes, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out my Insta page where I'll upload all these photographs that I have taken today. And I have made a video on how to make DIY Christmas tree. I'm sure you're gonna like that too. You can click either of these two links and check it out. Till then, Brainy Sprouts,